Editing is by far one of the most time-consuming and mentally draining aspects of wedding filmmaking. And I don't know about you, but for me, I have to get myself pretty psyched up just to get started. Because there's so many choices, there's so many decisions that we have to make. It creates overwhelm, creative paralysis, and leads us to sending everything off to an outsourcing company because we just simply don't want to deal. But today is a brand new day in the world of wedding filmmaking, and I'm going to be talking about this brand new AI tool that can quite literally help you edit faster, eliminate that overwhelm so that you can spend less time searching for your story and more time actually telling it. This is Plotline, an AI tool that does all the heavy lifting for finding your story. It transcribes your audio, analyzes the emotion behind the words, and gives you a beautifully structured story based on all the most impactful moments from the wedding day. And I know what you're thinking, this might sound a little too good to be true, but let's dive into how it all works and how it has helped me already speed up my workflow. I'm gonna be working with one of my latest films here. This is a story session from a wedding that I'm doing this weekend. So I wanna just go ahead and get into that zone. I wanna pull the best moments from this story session so that it can help me when I get to the wedding to know really what is my theme. What do I focus on? So I am going to come up here to my multicam. I'm gonna create a new project. The next thing I'm going to export is an XML. And this way, Plotline has all the data it needs to pump out a project file for you with all of the moments that you need for their story. Now that we have that situated, we can go over to Plotline here and we can start creating our first project. So I'm going to upload the audio file that I just exported, Cody and Davis storyline. There's only 2 speakers, so I'm going to let Plotline do its thing. And now that it's transcribing the audio, I can add my XML. You get all of the dialogue from this moment into text format. And then you can come over here to speakers, which I think is a really cool tip, is to click this person icon and it will identify the speakers automatically, which just is so nice. And now that we have everybody labeled, now we can come over here to our story script, which really is where the magic happens. We're going to create a new story script. The title of this script is, let's just say, How It All Started. And then for the last few steps, speakers to include. I really just want the bride and groom. I definitely don't want myself. And then for content to exclude, it already has this pre-checked, which is great. It just kind of eliminates a lot of those unnecessary moments in your dialogue that you have to sit through and sort through. This kind of bypasses all that, which is very nice. So I'm gonna come down here to generate story script, and Plotline is gonna make some magic happen for me. And you can see here, it pulls out moments that are just reflective of personality, that are reflective of their journey and how you really want this story to flow. I mean, you can see the tags: first meeting, self-reflection, comic relief. Then you get down here to a tender moment, comic relief, tender moment. And so all of these things just compound into one cohesive, beautiful story. And the last and probably my favorite part of Plotline is the export phase. So this is where the XML file comes into play, because now Plotline is going to use all of the original media. It's going to reference that with the story script and push out a new project file with all of those story moments, all of your narrative in one project. So if we come back to Final Cut and open up the XML that Plotline gave us, you'll see that it creates a new event with a new project with all of our dialogue perfectly cut up, ready for us to use to kickstart our edit. And to show you guys how powerful Plotline is, I'm going to use this exact project file and create a teaser from this moment for the bride and groom.
What I love most about you is pretty obvious, actually. It's that, you care so much about everyone. You always are there to listen to people, to me too. You're always there to support people. You always give 100% of your time to people. Whenever I need you, you're always there. Whenever I call, you always pick up. Whenever you call, I always pick up. We're always there for each other.
You made me cry.
Hoping for the day.
Yeah, I feel like you challenge me good too, because I feel like we all know how much of a weirdo I'd be if you weren't around. I feel like there's been so much positive change in my life because you've been around. I feel like you bring out the best in me when I am around others. Because you make me want to care about our friends more. You make me want to just care about everyone more. And I feel like you amplify my positive feelings towards pretty much everyone.
And I like the way that you challenge me, because no one really does the way that you do. And I think I need it sometimes. And it's fun.
Yeah.
And I think it's always exciting because I never know what's gonna come out of your mouth sometimes.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, me neither. We're always there for each other. Every single time that anyone needs anything from you, you're there. And you're always willing to support them. I think that's what I love most about you.
And I think one of the best ways that you can maximize Plotline and help you really speed up your workflow and edit a wedding film 10 times faster is by simply doing a little bit of the prep work up front. Meaning that you still have to get organized, you still need to create your multicams, you still need to highlight all your favorite shots, create your selects, find your music, build out your soundtrack, and if you do those things, when you send everything into Plotline for the story and it spits everything back out, you're gonna have so much less to do when it comes to structuring your story because the story is already laid out for you. You just have to tinker with the pacing and make sure that everything is looking and feeling the way that you want it to. If you're interested in checking out Plotline, I will have a link down in the description below where you can find out more information. But that's all from me today. I hope you found this video helpful and valuable in some way. If you did, it would mean so much if you consider liking and subscribing. And until next time, keep creating and telling beautiful stories. Peace.